So it's a lot better weather today. So that's a plus. I can actually start to actually drive the Mustang. So what I'm gonna do is check all my fluids real fast, make sure everything's topped off, and pretty much just go drive it. I know the tune should be, it's on the stock tune on the fuel tables. I didn't mess with that because when it was sitting there idling, it was pretty much perfect. But we'll go drive it and make sure everything's still working, and then get into a little bit of boost. I need to hook up the boost gauge. I can't forget that because I gotta see how much boost I'm actually gonna be running. Right now it should be going off wastegate pressure, so we'll just find out. So let's go ahead and check all the fluids and then hook up that boost gauge. Got the oil topped off, transmission fluids are looking fine. Coolant, it's still looking good. Now I got the actual boost gauge right here on the vacuum. So all you gotta do is pretty much hook in the gauge real fast and pretty much read it, and then I guess we're driving, boys. All right, got the laptop sitting in there. I don't know if the gauge is gonna work, but now I need to put the hood on and pretty much just double check one more time before I go out. I got everything ready to go. I am honestly really nervous about this first drive. No clue why, but I'll get the data log going on here. Hopefully everything goes well. Speedometer here on my phone to make sure. I do have insurance on this thing, so, and everything else on the lights should be fine. If not, we'll find out, guys. We will find out for sure. Here we go. Do I let it warm up or do I just start driving? I think I'm gonna just start driving. All right, gotta make sure to watch my temps at my 90 degrees. 124 in the temps. This is super scary, by the way. I forgot how scary this actually was. I smell something burning. Smells like rubber. Yeah, I'm rating 17 AFR, so that's way too rich, or way too lean. I'm gonna pull over here, change the log just a little bit. Around 2,000 RPM, I think I'll add a little bit more gas. Okay, we'll shut her off. Look at that, just pouring smoke out. Couldn't tell you why. I really couldn't. So what I want to do here now is change the tune up and pretty much assess the damage from there. it got super hot. Yeah, they finally, I think what's burning off is the actual heat wrap. But I see liquid somewhere, so something blew up. Oh, right there. The whole thing actually blew off. That's probably why I was getting hot. I probably lost all my coolant. I don't see a trail, so I had no coolant. No coolant's flowing to this upper hose. It's getting stuck somewhere. Well, shit. That's probably why. All right, sitting here, it's at 225, but yeah, I don't know why that hose popped off. Yeah, as soon as I got into boost, I felt something go pop, but there's no coolant. I don't see any coolant, so something's not flowing like it should. So let's go ahead and limp this thing back to the house, and hopefully everything works still. So god damn, that was violent. Doesn't even want to stay running. She's mad some way. So driving it did not work at all in getting the coolant issue solved. But it's kind of weird that no coolant that I saw came out. So I wonder if something's clogged on that radiator, or something's clogged in a chance. I didn't even get to see how much boost I was hitting. But all I know is it's still overheating and I shouldn't have drove it. But hell, that was fun as yeah, I had nothing come out the hose, nothing was leaking out the hose. Something is not right. I wonder if it's too high to actually go over the hose itself, so it's always reading low. It might not even be flowing down that far. So we're here now, so let's pull in and see what's going on with it. You can hear it's mad. So let's go ahead and get this hood off. Yeah, like you can hear it, but nothing. Something should be coming out of here. Like this thing's bone, like literally, this is bone dry. So nothing's actually coming out of here. So is the water pump bad? Or is the water pump not pushing up the fluid like it should? I don't know. The other hose, the Fox body hose, was so much bigger here. I don't know. I might just take this hose off and see what's going on here. This is super frustrating. So I don't know. I just put like 1.5 gallons of water technically in the system. I'm dumping it through here, and it's flowing and it's coming out of here just fine, but I don't think it's running down because the temp gauge is finally working once I put you know, liquid through here, and it kicked on. But I don't think it's coming out of here into there. I don't know if it's too high. I don't know if the water pump is not gonna allow it to. Maybe the radiator's just too low. I don't know. I couldn't tell you. I might just have to go to an electric water pump. And I know that for a fact those things are like super, super expensive. But I might have to go that way. But as of right now, I'm a sitting duck. I can't drive it. I can't tune it. I can't tell you guys. So hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, drop a like, subscribe if you guys are not. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.